Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add a watermark in LibreOffice Writer. Go to LibreOffice file that you need. Click on Format at the top toolbar. Choose Watermark from the list. A new window will open. Add the watermark text into text field. Choose the font from the drop-down list. Set the angle. Set transparency. Choose color from the drop-down list. Click OK to apply the settings. The watermark will appear in the document. You can edit the watermark if needed. Click on Format at the top toolbar. Choose Watermark from the list. A new window will open. Make the changes that you need and click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!